As a finance leader or CFO, there's a lot of signals coming at you. And ChatGPT Work is the perfect tool to pull all that together. Imagine this: you're on the train coming into work, and you open up your CFO command center. Here's where you can see how you're doing against your quarterly close and any action items that are outstanding. All this data is being pulled together through your central CFO command center inside of ChatGPT Work. Now, we may be tracking some other things as well, like abnormal contracts and special contract terms. It looks like Nimbus Cloud and GrowSpark have both been submitted with special contract terms that you may want to keep tabs on. Additionally, it's not just the signals that are happening inside the business, but things outside the business we want to know about. Refactor technologies may be worth evaluating as an acquisition candidate for our observability roadmap. As I'm walking in the office, I run a prompt inside ChatGPT for a decision analysis memo. When I get into work, it's all right there. Here, I can see the company breakdown, the business case for acquisition, and a conditional go recommendation for diligence. To test the assumptions behind that case, I open a detailed Excel model generated by ChatGPT Work. It gives me the historicals, transaction assumptions, and the ability to ask questions of the data model and model out different scenarios. In this scenario, I've asked it to create a bull and bear scenario over the next 3 years of revenue growth. And just like that, it creates a new tab showing the 3-year revenue forecast. This helps finance leaders move from reacting to updates to actively shaping the next business outcomes.